In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pixel code to Shopify manually. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your tracking pixel so your analytics and ad platforms can record activity from your store accurately. Have your pixel snippet ready from your advertising or analytics provider and make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin. Start by opening the Shopify website and logging into your admin dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, go to Online Store. This is where all your theme settings live. On the right side of the current theme area, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. That menu holds the advanced options we need. Click the 3 dots to open the menu and then choose Edit Code. This takes you into the theme's file editor. In the file list on the left, look for a folder called Layout. Inside that folder, locate the file named theme.liquid. This file controls the overall structure of every page on your storefront, which makes it the best place to add site-wide tracking like a pixel. Click theme.liquid to open it in the editor. Now scroll through the code until you find the opening and closing head tags. These look like a line that starts with head near the top of the document and another that says /head a bit further down. The space between these 2 tags is where most tracking and verification snippets belong, because code in the head loads on every page and initializes early. Place your cursor just before the closing head tag and paste your pixel code exactly as it was provided by your platform. Keeping the snippet intact ensures it runs correctly. If your provider gave you multiple parts, make sure all of them go in the same area unless their documentation specifies otherwise. If you've previously added a pixel, take a moment to confirm you're not duplicating the same code, which can cause double counting. As a quick tip, avoid pasting inside any commented out sections. Those are lines surrounded by comment markers and anything inside them won't run. Also, if your platform specifically instructs you to place a snippet before the closing body tag instead, follow their guidance. Otherwise, the head section is a safe default for most pixels. That's all there is to it. You opened Shopify, went to Online Store, used the 3-dot menu to get into Edit Code, located Theme Liquid, scrolled to the head section, and pasted your pixel. Once your code is in place, your tracking should begin working on every page of your store.